So Gius, welcome again to our channel. So as you can see in the screen, it's really insane. How did we do that? Sized emojis. These are the thing that you use in WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram too. And now we are using this in HTML web page. So really it was too cool. And today we'll learn about this only, that how to use HTML emoji and HTML program. So let's get started with today's video before wasting any more time. So if you are new to the channel, then please share, subscribe and like it if you really do like. So let's start with today's video. So where is my word? So today we are gonna learn what are emojis. Emojis look like image or icons, but they are actually not. Yeah, they look like images or icons, but they are actually not. So these are my emoji characters. Now for HTML value, you need the value of the characters. Now this, you can see this face is a smiley face, and for the smiley face we need to put this value. You need to put this value or else this smiley face will not occur. You can see this is a heart shaped face, heart shaped emoji. You have to put this value for its occurrence. Now let's have a look on the first program. This is our first program, right? Now let's copy this and paste it in our Node+++. How many times did I say plus? Paste it. Save it. Save it by 01.html as it is our first program. I have saved it, and now let's see. Now let's go and see the program. Now you can see this is as it is written, my first emoji, it's mine. Now let's compare the program with the output. Now the program is written that HTML, as we all know, then it comes the head tag, as we all know, then comes the meta char set, which in quotation you have to write this line. This line is very important. If you don't write this one, then the emoji will not occur. For doing this type of program, you have to memorize this. Actually, you have to memorize this line to do this program or to run this program. So this was head. Have to close head tag. Then we start with the body tag. And body tag, in heading we put my first emoji. Then in para we put the value of the emoji. In starting of the value of the emoji we write and hash. Then we write the value. Then we end it with semicolon. Right. Now what is in the program? Now let's see in the program. See, right, and hash 128512 semicolon. This is the value of smiley face or smiley emoji, right? Now this was our first emoji. Now let's go for the second. Now this is the second program for today. Now what is there in the second program? So let's copy it, then we will know what is there in the second program. So I'm copying this. I've copied this and I have to paste it in our Node+++. So how many times do I am saying plus? So let's see. Cut it and write 02.html. Save it. Now it has finished, and now let's see. I have to go in the file, Where is my file? I always forget my file. Here is my file 02.html. So this was the emoji which I was talking about. It really looks nice. Now let's compare this with the program for your better understanding. Now what I've used is that we have to do HTML tag at first, we know, then we have to do head tag. Now we have to write this meta char set UTF in -8 in quotation. You have to write this or else you can't run this program. And then we have to close head. Then we have to start with body tag. In heading I have written sized emoji. Right. Now in paragraph tag I have written paragraph style. Means I have now make this style, means I have now done the size, how to change the size of the emoji. Now font size is 48 pixel, right? And now here are the value of all the emojis, right? I have put it in the paragraph tag, under the paragraph tag. Now if I change the pixel, if I do it 88, what will happen? Let's see. I have to do this in HTML, I mean Node+. 88. Now save it. Now let's see what happens. Now say the size has increased, as we all know. So this was some of the emojis. There are many more emojis, as you all guys know. So if you comment me, if you want to know other emojis value, so you have to comment me and you have to like it and you have to subscribe it. This was some emojis value which I have shown on the screen. There are this. So guys, for today only this much. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, share this video, and if you share this video, then please subscribe this video, subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. Stay tuned till then and stay safe in this pandemic, in this pandemic situation. Bye bye.